Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Test, test. Test, test. Okay. Okay, so today we will be beginning our live streaming sessions. Let's see, is the internet connection, is it my laptop problem or it's my connection problem? So right now I'm actually testing out, is it my internet, is it suitable to do live streaming sessions? So let's see, can it's sustainable? Seems like it's actually looks like it's the internet problem. Yeah, let's see how it turns out. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, and let's begin today live streaming sessions. Okay, hopefully today won't be lagging out lah. Okay, because recently my internet problem, it's a really big issues, so keep on lagging out, but I'll be trying my best and see how it turns out. And today we'll be also using my phone as a webcam and see how can it sustainable. If it's not quite sustainable, maybe we'll be buying a webcam lah. Okay, so let's begin today live streaming sessions. Okay, so I'm actually giving out a few of my good trading opportunities. One of the best trading opportunity is GPUSD. So GPUSD, I was thinking to do shorts, and we are preparing to do shorts positions as well. So later on, I'll be explaining why I'm doing shorts and what's my perspective on it. Okay, so why I'm doing shorts from here and what my perspective of the market. Okay, so apart from that, I'm also giving out on the Euro USD pairings as well, and I'm also saying that doing short is much more better. So forming by that, okay, so why I'm doing shorts from here, let's see the market. Shit, seems like not really clear. Why not quite clear? The chart seems like it's a bit blur. So what is the problem? Is it the chart seems like a bit blur? Is it my internet problem or is it no, seems like not the internet problem. Why so lagging? I mean, not lagging. The tick volume is showing shadow. Why there's a shadow behind of it? I think the live streaming session is a bit not quite clear. Not so sure why. Let's see how can we fix this one. Because I'm turning out. Shit. Okay. Make it like this. Not quite clear. The chart seems like not so sure what is going on. Is it the resolutions problem? Let's see. Filter. Maybe can add some sharpening. It's actually not quite clear, the charts. Seems like it's much more blur. Not so sure, is it true? If everyone can watch it, do you think that it's actually blur on the charts? Seems like a bit blur. Seems like a bit blur. A bit lah. I'm not so sure. Is it because, yeah, once I put the screen out, seems like a bit blur, but not so sure why. Charts. Can't message out. Seems like the chart is a bit blur. Hey, what the fuck? Scare me. It's a bit blur. Because of filter. Chart's a bit blur, but last time won't blur one. Why? Wow, really blur. Seems like it's a bit blur. Let's see. But if I zoom in, then won't be blur out. If I zoom out, then will blur a bit. Is it? If I zoom out, I think it will be blur a bit. Maybe I change the color, might be better. Black on. Only green on black. Not so sure why. Let's see. Green, black. Will it be better if I change the color? I think better a bit. It's much more clear. Then if I zoom out the screen, also has a shadow. Why there's a shadow from here? Not so sure why. There's a big shadow from that here. Forming back black on white. I think there's a big shadow. Is it? Let's think about the problem and see what can we do about it. Okay, the camera side is actually quite okay. Phone still can sustainable at the moment. Yeah, actually quite good. The live streaming sections on using phone. I think phone is actually quite okay. But the screen is a bit blur. Not so sure what's the reasons. Let's see. Doing short positions, putting out. Dollar index is actually reaching through. I think dollar index is actually going higher. So I'm actually quite okay to do short positions and aiming back to the low. Maybe we can actually put this high. So yeah, I think I'll be doing a short positions as well because it's actually quite good on doing short positions by another 20 pips. And if we are getting it, I think we can actually get to quite a big amount, this one. So let's see, we can actually do short positions. I think our stop loss above 5 pips. Let's see, can we get it down? If we do get it down, I think we can actually get much more lower. Maybe we can get back to 2 to 1. So let's see. But the chart is, yeah, it's a bit blur. Wow, really blur. But it's actually quite consistent. The internet connections, maybe it's an internet problem. Let's see, is it lagging out? But the chart is, it's a bit blur. Really blur. But it's actually quite consistent. The internet connections, maybe it's internet problem. Yeah, overall it's looking good. Not a really big problem. think we just need to solve this chart problem, then should be fine. Not so sure, is it the chart scene? Let's see if I change the.
Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing.
Okay, well, not bad, well. The cut screen is actually looking quite okay. It's actually quite clean.
And perfect your timing.
Okay, well, the cut screen, not bad. I think this is the main thing. If we can solve this one, I think should be fine. Okay. So let's do short positions and putting stop loss. If we can actually just put stop loss above. Is also quite fine because I'm actually expecting that the price will be forming a ranging level from here, and will be, if we are right, I think we can actually put our stop loss just above here, because once the price do really break through, then it's not really look good lah. But if the price do really break lower, I think we can actually adjusting it. So this is actually what we call a sweet spot to try to do short positions, because if we do wrong, I think our stop loss can just put it from here. If the price really break through this level, I don't think it's actually a really good sign of doing short positions. Okay, so this is a really good crucial area. Okay, well, my phone didn't really quite hot. I was expecting my phone might be really hot. Was planning to buy a webcam. I think can actually call sustainable. Okay, yeah, it's sustainable. Crude oil. Whoa, oh shit. Well, gold is actually going higher. I was thinking that the price might be going lower, but if the price really break through this level, I think it's much more likely to continue through a really big trend and continue to break higher. So this is actually really crucial. So let's see how it turns out. Dollar index is actually reaching through. Not so sure what happened will be on USD and GBPSD. So let's see. I think we can actually just put our stop loss above this area, because if the price really break through, I don't think it's actually a really good sign. But let's see. Okay, so hopefully everyone give us a like and subscribe. Okay, give us a like and subscribe. Well, I think this is actually much more consistent. The view, the computer is much more sustainable from the live streaming sessions. Recently, my computer, I think laptop is actually not really consistent by doing live streaming sessions. So yeah. Okay, can. Let's see. This is my expectations, and the EURUSD is also my expectations. Price to really reach through this level, forming a ranging level. So I do think that it's actually a really good chance to do shorts. If we are right, then the price is going lower. If we are wrong, then the price break up, then this it's not a really good trend. I mean, this might be not a really good one. Okay. But the gold market is actually breaking through on the higher sides. So let's see. Okay. So hopefully everyone do give us a like and subscribe, okay? Because we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions every single day from 10 to 11 p.m. Okay? Maybe in the future we might be adjusting our live streaming sessions. Once we have the book map, maybe we can adjusting on afternoon, on the London sessions. We can try to trade apart from that, or maybe we can trade with other sessions, because I think 10 to 11 is actually quite slow, the market, so might be adjusting the time zone as well. So right now, is it possible to see the price to break through on the higher sides? Seems like it. The uptrend is actually quite obvious right now. I'm not so sure is it possible to break through this high. So the dollar index is actually, let's see how, oh, the camera is actually quite good there. Consistent. Maybe buying the pro versions. How much for the pro version? One time is 59.90. Let me think about it. Do we want to buy the pro versions or buying the quite solid? The framework is actually quite solid. Maybe a little lagging but the internet connections on the live streaming is really stable. Wow, I was scared that would be stopping up. Let's see today the live streaming, is it consistency? If the live streaming is actually consistency, then it's actually my laptop problem. So let's see. So sure, GBSD is hanging there. Let's see. I think we can actually get this out. Spiking low, spiking high, forming ranging level spot. But is it breaking through or going lower? This might be another case. Why still really break lower? I think it's should be breaking much more lower. I think we can actually get more to 1-to-1. Let's get more. Yeah, let's get more. So if we do correct, I think we can actually get more about it. 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. The charting, is it? Yeah, I think the charting is actually not quite solid. The voice, what is the voice? Alright, I think we can actually get more about it. 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. The charting, is it? Yeah, I think the charting is actually not quite solid. The voice, what is the voice? Right, I think we can actually get more about it. Actually, quite okay. Not bad. Okay, so we continue doing live streaming sessions. Not so sure about the GBUSD. So let's see, can we get it down, or the price is actually wanted to go higher? Okay, so I will be doing live streaming sessions and keep on adjusting it. Right now, I think, sorry. What is 9 or 8?
Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing.
0 is main.
Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TNT where we master trend right and perfect. Hello everyone, welcome back to TNT where we master trend right and perfect.
Oh, okay. Consistent. I think it's actually looking good, eh? Not so far so good, but the screening part might need to adjust this one. Maybe need to make it much more clear. Then should be fine, I guess. Yeah, I think should be fine. So let's see. Euro USD and also GBP we are actually doing shots. See, can we get back to the bottom sides? If also okay, not okay. I also forgot about this one. Maybe we can actually put it here. So let's see. Hey,
Hello everyone,
oh shit.
hello everyone, welcome back.
Where is?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello everyone, welcome back to TNT where you master trend right
Shit.
momentum.
If keep on pressing this one, then will be. Oh shit. This one need to adjust. This one. How to adjust? Wait. How to adjust the what? Shit. Hey. Shit. How to press already? Wait. Hey. How to change already on this one? Toolbox. How to make it already? Maybe I change to. Oh, sorry. Thinking about what is going on. Wait. Oh, too long if like that. Let's see. Shit. Oh, sorry. Let's see. The connection is actually looking good. Fuck. Is it this? I think it's actually this one. Wow, but it's not looking good, eh? Not clear, eh? Maybe I need to make it smaller. Not looking clear enough, but I need to make it this big. What screen is it? Make it here. Hey, what is going on? Shit. Why, huh? Wait, 为什么 Why, Because why make it like this, Yeah. Shit. Wait. Okay. Wait. Lots of this. How to make it already? Let me think about it. Shit. To adjust this one. Oh, fuck. Wait. Yeah, this is the standard dice, but why? Wait. If I put it right about here, would it make it? Oh, okay. Need to make it bigger. Bigger? Bigger than not looking good, lah. But it's smaller, but Not quite clear. Shit. Is it too big? Not really clear. Let's see, is it clear? Too small. We need to change a bit. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Shit, but the live streaming is actually quite consistent. Not bad. Make it bigger. Need to see this thingy. So this needs to change a bit. Oh, it's not looking good, oh. Okay lah. Okay. Can? Not so sure can or not. Better than nothing. Okay. Okay. Good. Let's see. Is it okay or not? But oh, my phone is actually quite draining. Not quite clear. Need to adjust it. Overall, my expectations. Wow, if I actually make it lower, like this can. Wait, can or if I make it. Oh, okay, well, this I'll make it smaller. Shit. Means that this might need to maintain the size. Shit, you means that you might need to maintain the size. Fuck it. Well, if like that, it's not quite friendly. See, it's not quite friendly. Wow, okay. Need to adjust it. Is it because the screen is too big? So it's much more unclear? Wow, it's not really HD. Let's see. Price is actually forming. This GPSD is also this dollar index is actually forming some kind of ranging area, I guess. So let's see, is it possible to break through or going lower? Going lower, then gold market is actually showing us some signs to continue going higher and maybe break through this top. Let's see. Quite blur. Not so sure why. Internet problem. Okay, so let's see. Gold market should be going higher already. So gold market, not so sure is it dollar index. Gold market should be going higher. One surprise to really go through this level, continue going higher, break through to the top. Let's see. I think the price might be breaking through this top there. Higher chances breaking through this top. And let's see this top area breaking through and forming red. I think possible price might be reaching through this level. Not so sure about the EURUSD and GBUSD pairing now. So let's see. Are we right or wrong? If we are right, I think we can actually maintaining back to this low. And then after that, the price might be forming a ranging level. And let's see. And the EURUSD is also the same. It's actually forming a ranging. So it's quite suitable to do short positions and see how it happens. If we can hold it down, I think we can actually back to this level. If cannot, then let's see. Forming a ranging level. Let's see. Go market. So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully everyone can give us some support by liking it, subscribe, okay? 4K screen, but still quite blur. Why? Cause is it? Oh, the audio is open. Give us a like and subscribe. Okay? 4K screen, but still quite blur. Is it? Audio is open. Give us lag, huh? Camera, no problem. I think main problem is just the chan at this one, and other part is actually quite solid. Okay, silver is also swiping low, forming ranging. I'm not so sure about the GPUSD and ST. So let's see if we can actually do short positions back to this level. Things should be not really big problem. Same goes to EURUSD. It's also really good, solid. Okay. The profit sizing is not looking clear. Not looking quite clear. Let's see. Yeah, not looking quite clear. Okay, so we'll be expecting that the price should be forming a ranging and see is it possible to price to break through this low. If we can see the price to break through this low, I think we can possible to see the price to reach through back to the lower sides. GPUSD also the same, is actually forming a ranging, so we'll be keep on holding on it and see how the price reactions later on. And let's see if we are right. If we are right, I think dollar index is actually reaching back to the top sides. And once dollar index is actually reaching back to the top sides, then definitely will be putting a lot of pressure on the EURUSD and also the GBUSD pairings. Yep. Let's see. Gold. I think gold is actually quite consistent. Seems like it's wanted to go higher because the price really reached through, breaking out a really strong upwards, forming back to this level. If we can actually give out a long positions, to be honest. Let's see. Long positions on gold. I think we can actually do this quite strong, solid. Doing long, putting stop loss. Can we? I think we can actually. See. Let's see from the 4-hour time frame. Price breaking through. Quite burden on this one. And this one quite burden as well. Can't really see, the chart is not quite clear. Feel. 应该是咯。Seems like the price wanted to go higher really. Definitely doing long positions is actually a really good option from the gold market perspective. Long positions and aiming back to the top sides. Let's see, is it? Okay, so I think the most important thing is Euro USD and JP USD, is it going lower? Price is actually accumulating on this one. Is it breaking through to the bottom or breaking through to the top? This one is what we call the diamond shape. Euro USD, dollar index, not so sure. Maybe today also won't be giving us the directions as well. Let's hold it up and see how it happens. Okay. GBPUSD gold. Seems like the gold wanted to break high. That's possible. I think gold might be breaking through $60 range. Is it possible? Wow, hard to expect. Hard to expect in a short period of time. But right now it's definitely on a much more stronger trend. So if we do long positions, stop loss, aiming high, possible. Boom, boom, boom. Can we get down to this level? Not so sure about the dollar index. Let's see from the trading view. But the internet connection is actually quite smooth. Okay, facing this resistant area. Right now, let's see the gold market. Actually facing a really strong resistant area from now. 3373. And I think this is a really strong resistant area, slowing down really from here. Price is actually slowing down. Is it possible to break through this level? If not, then the price slow down, then might be reaching back to this level. Okay, so today that's about it because the market is a bit slow. It's actually on the trying phase as well. We'll be keep on trying it and see how can we do to improve our live streaming sessions. But definitely it's looking good overall. Good. The angle is also quite good as well. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Lagging. No lagging. But seems like it's not quite clear the chart. Hmm. Yep. See. Silver USD. Keep on. To forming this ranging level. Price still really go dropping. Why I think the price go dropping is because the price is actually right just Wednesday, Tuesday. So price slowing down once price to really chill. Didn't really give us some impulse at this moment. Pulse at this moment. So should be slowing down. This from the USD, I think it's also the same thing as well. Price is actually reaching to high, so much more likely to see a ranging lah from my perspective. So yeah, the whole thing is forming a ranging level and going lower. So we continue doing short positions and see how it turns out. I'm not so sure about the goal to be honest, so I will be just keep on putting out it and see how it turns out. Okay. But the phone is actually draining quite fast, quite hot. 80%, so per live streaming sessions will be draining about 10 to 13%. Maybe might be buying a webcam if we necessary to. Phone is actually quite okay as well. But the quality webcam also need 200 something. Let's see. It's actually quite blur. Is it because make it too big? Let's see. Gold market should be going higher. Nice. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really enjoy my live streaming sessions, okay? And I think we'll be upgrading a lot of things. So the first thing is actually the quality. So right now, quality still not need, I think still needs some adjustment. After that, we'll be adjusting on the content, and right now, that will be alright. Premium informations. So gold, silver, and GPSD. Okay, let's see. I think it's actually slowing down. Maybe we'll be going higher first, but if the price do really break through, then my speculation is that the price might be giving a really big upwards momentum, reaching back to the really top sides. Quite hot as well. Okay. Mm-hmm. Change.
Hello,
Oh,
hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your time.
let's see. Right now, the dollar index is actually forming a ranging level from here, swiping this high, keeping these formations, and reaching through this top sides, coming back to this supporting level. Let's calling out. It's actually quite stable. The live streaming sessions, smooth and not a really big problem. Wow, consistent, really consistent. Wow, better than my freaking laptop. Do you think the price should be going back to the top side? Should be 98. 98. Let's see. I think dollar index is actually forming a ranging level already. So should be forming rangings. Let's see the price. Is it breaking higher? If you break higher, then I think we'll be going back to the 50 level. So yeah, let's see. Forming ranging. See, is it possible to go back? Okay. So that's about it. I think I'll be keep on holding on these two trades and see how it turns out. That's my prediction is that the gold dollar index is going higher and it's not quite likely to see to burst up to the upsides. Not necessary on the gold lah, to be honest. Gold, I still think that it's maybe breaking through this top sides. Uh, shit. Okay. Okay, seems like the gold is probably breaking through this top. So if we do see the gold breaking through this top, it's much more likely to see the gold continue going higher already, and it will be keep on doing long positions. I think we can actually find out a really good supporting level, putting our stop loss just below. See, can we get back 30 pips? Why still very true? Dollar index and gold going higher together. Okay, I think we'll be ending our live streaming sessions for now. So hopefully everyone do really enjoy this live streaming sessions, even though right now I think we are most likely to continue to see what can we improve and what can we improve on it. So I already mentioned that we'll be doing shots on EURUSD and also the JPUSD pairings. So you can see that we are actually just follow our trading rules and see can we back to this low. If the dollar index is going higher, then I'm actually expectations that should be not a really big problem to going back to the low side. And we'll be keep on holding on it and see how it reactions afterwards. Okay, so this is our trading plan, and for the gold market perspective, I think it's most likely to continue breaking high, and afterwards let's see how can we do about it. Okay, so as I mentioned before, right now our live streaming session is still on the trying phase. So hopefully everyone can give us some support and give us some like and subscribe. Okay, and please to continue watch our live streaming sessions from every day from 10 to 11, and we'll be keep on trading for you guys and give out premium information. So what does it means by premium informations? Informations there's a lot, and we are filter out all the informations to premium to you guys. So this is the things that we'll be providing, and this is what TMT stands for. Okay, I think TMT stands for trend, momentum, and timing, but overall what we're providing is this. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really like our live streaming sessions, and we'll be ending today, and I will be seeing you guys tomorrow.